Kum Shibinta Kajingraki Meghalaya Environment Week and Water Conservation Day, Umentri Katnat CNRD Uba Hamletson Dohling Hine Kasngula Play Padba, Yaka Amrit Sarover Kabade Scheme by Shna Pung Hamanki District, Lingbaka Scheme Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Act, but community nurseries, Haka program Bala Pynlang Hakashnong Umpro, Kabahab Hamolai CNRD block. Habakran hakate ka jinghalang menteri ulaong bakathong jokate ka project kumbalabu da ka sorkar padeng banchna hado nyo pho santali ki Pung haman ki district jong ka jilla hakani ka sngiu menteri ula samru ki khusnam shabarwa ki nong job haka jinga kop drojing drobat airong bala Pynlang da ka umpro secondary school umpro Hadian kaniu menteri ringkat bat ki officer ula lid ban jurup ya ka jaka banchna Pung badru ban chimbenta haka jing thong ding Hakani kasngila don langru na do SC Sadhu Mission Director State Rural Employment Society baru bap PT Pasa BDO Maulai Block bat kiwe.
Naru menen keleng haki block bagi district kila pelongi program prepare of here. Nam tak kedika sngi bekerpang ban tayo bekerpang ban penek mare. Ban itu saut naru mentaka kendi mentaka atrik la shimru ika kum kasgi badai kum kasgi ketika kebaki ong ke water conservation dia ini kasmi ban penek tersa ya ke umbam di kejongi kalong sisa ketayo bakarpang ban kalong sisa ru kasgi ke bakarpang habi iraki ya ke jingnon kam ban penek tersa iku umbam di kalong ru ketayo bakarpang bagian penek tersa ya kembali mariang kejongi. Kadang kajilong berkadang ru kajing jai kebajan ma apa yang buriu bat kemariang. Ya dan ma kajing su jumur yang buriu bat kemariang. Jadi kadang buriu udah ban semar di kemariang bat kemariang ru kasu kumno ban semar kelayu buriu. Kapertai kelanang ya uben rio lanang buan sa pertai ibabun jirat kami bakani kecing long juman pertai kelak tak ba hak bade bat long juman jog environment ni kami mariang jongi teng ukun ben rio terna kecing kwa jingpet biang jong simen sing sistem ban pendu ya kami mariang ban pom kide kisi ru salia kini kadai kisye bag jingma bab ye kamai mariang kajongi.
We have to identify the plantation or planting material which are indigenous to our land so that their survival would be good and also where they have better moisture retaining capacities. As I said, this requires a lot of efforts from all the stakeholders and requires a lot of seriousness from community particularly. So I would like to request today the Block Development Office to take lead in making community to understand the importance of water and conserving our natural resources. And I sincerely hope that the celebration of Water Conservation Day as a part of Meghalaya Environment Week today would bring this awareness and sensitization across the stakeholders about the importance and our role in conserving natural resources, and so that we can protect our nature for our present generation and also for future generations.